For this project you will need the elastic lace, some stretchable fabric. I'm going to use a 4-way stretch mesh polyester, some soft lining fabric for the gusset, the fold-over elastic, the elastic for the straps, the rings and the sliders, and my rings and sliders are 10 mm, the same as my elastic. The needles to pin the fabric, the threads which are matching your fabric and the elastic, the scissors, the lighter, the piece of chalk to outline the pattern, and the pattern. If you have yours, you can use yours, but for those of you who doesn't, I'll attach the link with it in the description box below. Fold the lace in half and make sure that the scallops are matching each other. Then place the pattern on the scallops edge, outline everything with the chalk, and after cut it off. And don't forget to put the marks for the gusset. On top of the front element, place the back element, face to each other. Then grab the lining fabric and with the face down, place it on top. Pin it with the needle. Now go to your overlocker or sewing machine and sew here. And if you are going to use the overlocker, then overlock the top edge of the gusset as well. Grab the scissors and cut off the threads. After, eliminate the leftover of the threads with the lighter. Grab the lining fabric and place it on top of the gusset marks. Then pin it with the needles. Grab the fold-over elastic and sew it on here. This is the fold-over elastic. And you see this line in the middle? This is the fold place of the elastic. Now, grab the fabric and place the fabric in the middle of the elastic. Fold the elastic this way and after sew here. When you sew, you don't stretch the fabric. You stretch a little bit only the elastic. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. When you finish to sew, it should look this way. Do the same with the other element. Grab the front side elements and place them on top of the front element this way. Pin them with the needles. Now grab the fold-over elastic again and sew it on here and here. In this place here, keep the free space of the elastic, I'll say around 2-3 centimeters, so we can sew on the rings later. So fold the elastic this way and start to sew without any fabric inside. Then grab the fabric and place it in the middle of the elastic and continue sewing. When you come close to the gusset, make sure that the lining fabric stays on the marks. When you finish to sew on the elastic, it should look this way. Do the same on the other side. This is what I meant by saying keep the free space of the elastic. Now it's time to prepare the straps. For this you will need the elastic for the straps, the rings and the sliders. Check the amount of the centimeters according to your pattern and cut the elastic. And I need 2 straps like this. Grab the lighter and burn the ends of the elastic. Grab the slider and put the elastic inside. Do the same with the other strap. Go to your sewing machine and sew here. When you start to sew, make sure that there is no any metal object like a slider under your needle. Now grab the ring and put the elastic inside of the ring. Take the same end of the elastic and put it inside of the slider. The adjustable strap should look this way. Do the same with the other strap. Grab the ring and put the elastic inside of the ring. Go to your sewing machine and sew here. Now grab the strap and put the elastic of the panties inside of the ring. Pin it with the needle. Do exactly the same on the other side. And pin this place with the needle. Turn the panties on the opposite side. Do the same with the back element. Go to your sewing machine and sew everywhere where you have the needles. Cut off the leftover of the elastic. Then grab the lighter and eliminate the leftover of the threads and the fluffiness of the elastic. Grab the bow, and how to make this little guy, you can find the link in the description box below. Place it here, and after sew it on with the few stitches by using the needle and the thread. Block the thread exactly the same way like you see me doing here. Do the same on the other side.